It is Good Times has got a WhatsApp channel. If you want to get breaking news stories immediately on your phone on WhatsApp, please click the link on the description to join the It is Good Times WhatsApp channel.
Itiski TV, powered by World Sports Betting, itiskitimes.co.za. Ismamelodi Sundowns have qualified for quarter-finals the Nedbank Cup yalunyaka ka 2025. Emveni kokubetha ka Sibanye, are they gold miners, Bobzit? Mamelodi Sundowns qualifying. Umdlalo bungeloyazi uba after 30 or 40 minutes, 3 goals, Sundowns, everyone will say, okay, it's all done. Mhlawumbe singabona into ibiyenzeka kwi-previous seasons because yazi ukuthi Sundowns is the only team engazange yaluza against those lower division teams. But second half, Bobzit, ndike ndakubona ngathi uyanyuka esitulweni xa iscoring ngo-3-2. But before sithethe ngomdlalo kunjani mfowethu, kuyaphileka no?
Shane Nkrende Brian, ithi ngibulise uShane, ngibulise uNkululeko, ngibulise uMalido Lindo Pep, ne legend uTso.
Yeah.
So I'll tell me, sibonile game. Sibonile game, okay, into besilindele ngiyacabanga ukuthi Sundowns izoyiwina le game. Sinzwelwazi njengoba usho ukuthi Sundowns i-team engaluza kulama team mhlambe esiwabiza ukuthi ama team amancane avela le kubo ABC nakubo Mutsipe Foundation. It's not easy Sundowns ukuthi lose lama game, but siyayibongisa Sundowns, siphinde sibongise nayo isibanya ngeke sivalele ngaphandle because to score against uRonza kusho kona ukuthi wenze something. Baningi abantu abadlalile bangakhona ukuthi bascore le yatsotsi ishaya ema clean sheet, uyabona. So but for bona Machita siyawabongisa man ukufika eLoftus bazokora amagoli awu2 and bewamahla amagoli abo, bonile ukuthi badlale kahle ukuthi ba end up aba breaker le defense Sundowns bayothola la magoli. So we must also give credit ku lawo Machita lawo. So thanks ku coach Cardoso, simbonile namhlanje bengicabanga ukuthi uletha abadlali abaningi defensive. Ngibona kuno umdlalo ofana no Johannes, kuno umdlalo ofana no Libusa, then uKhoza bese ukuthi umdunyelwa kuphinde kube no Mashego. Kanti namhlanje uthatha umuntu ofana no Mashego umlahlele ngale side. So sikhuphuka ngobani ngomdunyelwa. Uma sikhuphuka siba ne rest defense abantu abayi3, kuno Johannes, kuno Khoza, kuba no Libusa. Lento uMalido Lindo uceda ukuyisho manje ukuthi ubheka uKhoza mangabe sina le line le 3 defenses resta ngayo. uKhoza is the one opusha kancane, ufuna ukallow uObas ukuthi Obas akakhuphuke, then sikhona ujoina labadlali abafana nobani no Matthews, nomdlalo ofana no uLihlabo. What a player awuthami kulamajita lawa. I don't know ucoach ukuthi ubakhiphe because of mhlawumbe ufuna kunikeza abanye i-chance, but bebenza kahle. If bebangaphumanga labo badlali ngiyacabanga ukuthi bengabe mhlambe scoreile amagoli amaningi because they were good, especially uma ngabe mhlambe sifuna ku breaker la Machita bekulula for bona because ama run wakabadlala abafana nabo Matthews mahle kakhulu. So siyambongela no Sales today, siyambona udlale kahle kakhulu Sales because of uyakora. Sibona abadlali abafana nabo Kodisang they are scoring Brian. So into enhle mangabe ucoach abanikeza i-chance, but into engifuna ukuyisho Shane, abadlali abafana nabo Mashego umdlali kumele ukuthi abaphula up ama socks because ngibona ngathi uMaxo njengoba ucoach afikile manje uma azothrima le squad lesi uzothrima abadlali abaningi because abo Maseko, Mashego, okay, uBilly ngamcounti kangaka because uBilly we know ukuthi uBilly bekenza kahle, but mhlambi game time iye yamkhawata uyangithola. But abadlali abafana nabo Mashego angeke siloko sithula sithi bazoyenza kahle, but mabahlula ukudlala la baloko bangenzi kahle.
You are not impressed ngaye?
No, I'm not impressed ngoMashego. No Maseko naye ngibona ngathi sometimes kumele abanye abadlali nokubalona kancane mhlambe bangabuya ba right because uma uzohluleka ukudlala kulama game afana nalawo uzodlala kanjani sidlala ama game serious. You understand? So kumele ukuthi ucoach mangabe banikela lithuba abalisebenzise leli thuba because next time bazokhala ukuthi Sundowns ayibadlalisi namajita you understand so yeah ngibona sidlale kahle kakhulu man ukuthi sikhona ukora abadlala amagoli mhlambe awu 5 kule team sidlale kahle okay abanye abantu bangasho ukuthi hayi man the team they deserve ukuthola mhlambe heavy score ngale kuboma 10 but nabo badlalile amajita because Mariphat bayishaya shame shame manyana bekumele labantu ababhuke ele ngamayelo card mhlambe ngabe behlisile so uyambona no Obas angi promote angi conduit efana nale ukuthi uzoshaya abadlali ngama elbow uyasiphoca umdlalo ofana no Obas back to back lokho uthola ama red card
benisiya kulonto bomsi ningaqhawulanga ukuthi ayikwarishi mhlawumbe lento ukuthi ingathi game and game players Sundowns seeming to be getting a red card because remember in the previous game they also get a red card against Magesi ayo red card yokuqala even nale Magesi there was a red card before that so ayikwarishi ukuthi in terms of do you think mhlawumbe it's a matter of discipline or mhlawumbe a player is unlucky
yeah amanye ama red card ngisho ukuthi amanye it's unlike like i red card yaka Ronza abuya kuyibonile bokuyi 1v1 uRonza wathi ufuna uclear ibhola then
against Amazulu I remember that one
it was a red card you understand now so ne red card yakalunga uyibonile nayo ukuthi kube nokuhluthuka phakathi kulomjita asazi ukuthi uthizeni kuye but sometimes iba discipline man because bazokufoka njengayo le phela uObas bakhahleliwe lamajita nayo uObas ugcine shot wakhathala but asisho ukuthi kumele ukuthi angashaya amajita ngama L bagcina thola ama red card because iyascosta lento sinama game amaningi chain Sundowns ebhekane nawo ebheka manje udlala after 2 days ilanga les3 or les4 yadlala uya understand njengamanje Sundowns kumele idlale ngezi2 ngezi5 ngezi8 ngezi11 uya understand ukuthi ama game maningi yes ngiyavuma sina depth congratulations umdlalo ofana no Adams umzila ulinda ukuthi uchampe kanjani yo ngamuzwa bheka le game manje ukuthi yenzakalana ubheka lamathashisi waletsotsi amarona letsotsi imnanda uthi umunye umuntu angathi no ithole i-team mhlambe esifele but Adams sign equality Brian so ngiyabonga ucoach ukuthi am introduced the way am introduce ngakhona angeke abe ne pressure umdlali but the more abadlali abafana nabo Obas bathola ama suspension bavula iminyango kubadlala abafana nabo Adams ukuthi beze bazodlala
yes or no are you saying mhlawumbe la red card ka Bathusi Obas was the blessing in disguise
kuyi umdlalo ofana no Adams ngisho because
before ndukhule bomsi there was also a debut namhlanje this guy was playing Keegan Johannes former SuperSport United what did you make of him namhlanje
congratulations nayo Janice but uyambona ukuthi usaselapha kule play ye SuperSport I don't know because the first game yakhe le oro kanjani but uyambona ukuthi ngathi ufuna ukustruggleish especially nangama tripping wakhe yabona besiyikhuluma lento ukuthi sometimes ngathi ufuna ukustruggleish but asimnikeza i-chance ama game wabo yena no Adams bacala ukudlala today siyababongela wena Shane badlala abafana nalaba so let's see going forward ukuthi yini abasiphathele yona but ngiyacabanga ukuthi kancane bazobe balapho but uAdams you understand na ukuthi no umdlalo
is a quality player
uzoclicka the way ngimbona ngakhona so yeah siyayibongela Shane
and also good for yena lo mfana uKeegan Johannes I mean udlala i-debut yakhe against i-team enjengeSibanye because you must remember maybe mhlambe banofumana mhlambe i-debut yakhe kule game yenu the next game on Sunday next week in a PSL game mhlawumbe pressure because you could see namhlanje ukuthi he was a bit nervous playing against those small boys but mhlawumbe against a PSL side mhlawumbe apenike kakhulu mhlawumbe ingabi into right for yena do you think mhlawumbe ibe into right ukuthi afumane i-debut yakhe namhlanje
namhlanje ngibona ngathi beku right because lezi phela zidlala Myanmar lezi and lezi maziza zonke la ku so ngiyacabanga ukuthi zi right at least umadlala nalezi ezinye zoku PSL bazomgaya space you understand because zonal marking but lezi ya pressure and give credit kuwo lamajita ukuthi ba press the way ba pressa ngakhona because they end up ukuthi bathole le 2 goals iSundowns icale nayo ukuthi manje ibone ukuthi manje ngathi sesinenkinga phela ila kuqala ngibona khona ukuthi manje igame ifuna ukuchange yakhumbula igame le abathi iMaluti FET College Tisha yafana nayo le game usayikhumbula she
you can never forget such games
ama game kanje afana nawo because bazokusurprise lama
because you don't know them
bazokusurprise so mina ngibona benze kahle lamajita at least basinikeza igame ukuthi siqala ukuconcentrate kahle it was boring man 3-0 if Sundowns beshaya boma 5 uyabona ukuthi igame bengeke but manje ubonile ukuthi mayithi 3-2 siqala at least uconcentrate asifuna ukubona ukuthi kwenzakalani ubonile nalamajita lamagoli abakorile Shane ukuthi no Yeah, anyway, congratulations kuMamelodi Sundowns ukuthi qualify ku last 16 Shane. So, yeah, silindile sifuna ukubona abanye uyadlala nawe Shane at least udlala ne team yako PSL abanye nabo basifanela nami sizitholela bethu. So, let's wait and see ukuthi abantu abazojoin Sundowns. Silindile Shane.
Yazi bobo before ndivale in 30 seconds.
Yeah.
Kukho itrend engiqhele uyinotice abakwe PSL. Ikhona team ekwazi udlala Saturday iwine. Then kube khona udlala Sunday. Ezithanda udlala Sunday. Idla ngoba khona upset because game. But I'm not saying anything. Well done to Mamelodi Sundowns. They've beaten Isibanye by 5-2. Looking to do better than last season. Remember, they lost to Orlando Pirates in the final of the Nedbank Cup in Mbombela last season. Ubobo was there. I was there. We were consoling each other. But maybe this season, Mamelodi Sundowns will do better and win it. We don't know. We will see. Thank you so much for watching Iteski TV.